Welcome to Mora FC. It is what it is. Just look how this beautiful cargo pocket is blazing, it's freezing at Dena Airport. Oh, it is what it is. I'm going to teach you how to make this beautiful. You can see everything is work has done perfectly. But so is come on. Nothing is easy, nothing is hard. You can check how beautiful it is. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. Click on the notification bell so you ain't gonna miss any of my tutorial. Well, it is what it is. What are you waiting for? Subscribe. It is what it is. So let's start. The pocket, doing a cargo pocket, gonna depend how wide, how big you want it. So this is 2 inches. That's 2 inches. And you fold again, but because of that tape is thick, that's why I didn't fold again. And on also fold no top stitch. It is what it is. This one is 6. I'm marking 6.5. By 6.5. 6.5 by 6.5. That's what I'm doing it. I'm working with that. Like I said, it depends on where you're gonna put it. Doing a cargo pocket depends where you're gonna put that pocket. That will determine the size of it. Over a cargo pocket na baby a old button and a so size or bit made a baton. So this is mine. Or 4.5 inch, then I iron it. 4.5 and I iron. Come on. So let's get on to the sewing machine. The first top stitch where we folded. Maybe folding no top stitch or up arm sort. You can sew from the wrong side if you want to, if you can see it. But my dad know what to feature so that you mix it anything up. You fold it, you need the middle of it, me hand 15. It is what it is. So you can see I came down. I didn't start from the top. My answer I said from the top. I came to the line, on the line. Maybe I'm in top stitch here, on and by. I did not start from the top. If you start from the top, you're going to be bulky at the end, at that part. So you just calm down, then you start sewing. From the start now, when you become bulky, your machine cannot pass on it. It becomes difficult for you to sew. So you can see I came down and I'm sewing, going round and round and round. It is what it is. Hey, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. Tell a friend to tell a friends about Mora FC. You can see at the tip, I did not fold it. The white fabric, I did not fold the tip. Fabric right me boano bia sana me. Then you trim. You trim closely to the line, to the seam line. Trim closely to it because I'm going to do top stitch, so that I don't want it to be, showing the unwanted thread out inside. I need the edges. That line, I need it. I want to know my line. Edges, no. In here, edges, no. Line, no. So that when I reach at the bottom side, I know where the edge is. The bottom edge is. You see, I'm mark it. Then you mark the middle, the edge, the bottom edges. You have to mark it. You can go to the machine, the iron board, and iron it, but I'm feeling lazy to get up. When I'm working some stuff, I don't just get up. I just use my hand to do it. Yeah, the boy, you be the iron it. Sometimes I'm the mention. I'm supposed to use iron here, but I'm using my hand. I don't want to get up. So then I do my top stitch. What are you waiting for? It is what it is. Adena poto. So I'm top stitching it. Me top stitch it. 1 minute shot. You take your time. Usunamiyo, usunamiya, nankabede na yoya. It's a Twi song, Ghanaian song, one of my favorite. So voila, you see. You're gonna finish right now. So you take your shirt or your trouser, whatever you wanna put your cargo pocket on it. You have to draw the pocket to get it right. You have to draw the pocket to get the lines right. You have to draw the pocket. As you're drawing pocket on your trouser. You have to draw it, very important. To get it straight, you get it neatly work done, no curve, no burn. You have to draw it. So you can see. Just look where I'm starting it. I didn't start from the top. I'm gonna sew on the white, my palm white also. And the white, you can't start it from the top. You just have to put your pocket there like that. Then you sew on the line. I have another tutorial on cargo pocket. You should check that one out as well. That one is all plain. It's not color like this. It's not two colors. It's only one color. You have to know how to do that one as well. More other tutorial will cargo pockets here. But I need two colors here, one color. You have to sew with one color. The place that I mark, you remember I mark certain places, the edges. Yes, you're supposed to mark that edges so that it will help you when you're working at the bottom. Once I mark it, edge be any fifi and other stuff. Subscribe. So what are you waiting for? We are almost done. Almost. Oola. So you can see the top stitch, not through all the place out, but you just cover that part out to hold it down. You do the same thing to the other side. You need to double stitch that part. I saw double stitch that part on 19. You can see everything lies perfectly. I then I have a sign. So you measure, it's 5.5. So you have to measure. Always, this have to be bigger than the pocket itself. You say a cratching pocket. And you can say any pocket you shouldn't have to. You don't have to let it to be equal, exactly equal with the opening part of the pocket. So if the pocket is 5.5, the cover, this one's supposed to be 6 inches or almost 6 inches. So always it have to be have an extra 0.2 or 0.3 or 0.5 extra other side. You feeling it? So that it cover the opening of the pocket. If it become the theme, it's gonna show up, which is not going to be nice. So always when you are dealing with this one, you make sure that you have an extra 0.5 to it. I hope you understood, Jamaica. So you iron it. After iron it, you gotta have to put it on it. You can decide to trim the lining, the white, and 1/2 inch off. This is an optional. You can do that, or you can just leave it like that. I don't want to be feeling bulky at that part, so I just trim that one up. So I'm doing my top stitch. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. It is what it is. At the end, I put it. It's more IFC. It is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. Tell a friend to tell a friend about more IFC. So we just have to put it on it. Let it be 1/2 inch away from the pocket. You need to trim that one off. We're done. Almost. My damn thread got finished, so I need to fix more in. So trim, then you top stitch. You will see that it will hide the unwanted material, the unwanted part of it, so that you're gonna hide it. And sometimes bro, no cry and bury. I do okay. You speak English, you speak Twi, trying to blend in, explain certain things, see how beautiful it is. Just look how beautiful it has turned out. How amazing it has turned out. It is what it is. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. Click on notification bell. Me out.